Alright guys, I'm getting ready to wrap my roof with 3M vinyl, and one of the things that needs to get done is to remove the shark fin. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Now this is the first time removing it, so you're gonna have to bear with me. I kind of got started because I had moly panels on the side right here, so I already went ahead and removed these two 10mm bolts. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try to access the roof liner by removing these two sides and then removing the bolt on top. So the first thing you need to do is to remove the 3 clips on top of the headliner. So it's great to have one of these panel popping tools. And again, remove all 3. And once you have them all popped off, the next thing you want to do is to remove these rubber liners, like so. And you're able to stick your hand in there and just give it a good tug. And they come off. And now you're able to access the headliner. So remove both sides. Again, now you don't have to remove it all the way. You just need to be able to access the top so that you can unscrew the bolt for the shark fin. I believe it's a 10mm, but I'll give you guys posted. So that's the bolt right there. It's a 10mm. Remove it. Once you get a little bit loose, you can use your hand and remove it. It's a bit tough because of the gap that you have. There's not a lot of room to work with. So once you remove that, it looks like there's some clips that you need to pinch. I saw a video of some guy struggling on this, so make sure you guys use a flathead and make sure you guys are pinching the 2 plastic side connectors right there, and they should just pop right off. So the trick was to use a panel popper, and I just unhook this side and then the rear side right there, and also I released this clip, and then the whole thing just came off. And I believe you just go ahead and pinch this and push out, and it should come right off. So as you can see, once this is off and it's unscrewed, you just pop right off, and there you go. Your shark fin's off. There you go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the roof and wrap it, and that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you guys subscribe so I can keep making videos.